Hi friends, this is Priyanka. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to propagate this beautiful money plant. So let's get started. To begin with, I would need a jar full of fresh room temperature water. Next, I would need sharp scissors or sharp knife. It is very important to have a clean cut. Now these are my garden scissors and knife would do the same. Just make sure that it's clean. Next, I have a thread to tie all my cuttings. Now this is completely optional. You don't really have to do that, but I find it a little more easier once all my cuttings are tied together. So next comes the cutting part. So I am going to identify here a healthy stem. Now you please make sure that you do have a healthy stem, because at the end of the day we do want plants to grow. So I'm going to find the root node over here. This one, as you see, the thing poking out from the bottom of the leaf. Yes, this is the one which is called a root node. So I plan to have around 4 to 5 cuttings. So I am going to every time find the node and then cut around it, around 2 to 3 inches above and below. That is just about enough. You do not need a really long stem. Once I have all my cuttings in place, I am going to tie them loosely. You can adjust it as you want. You don't have to really make a bouquet out of it. But I just prefer all the leaves to be poking on all the directions rather than, all of them facing it at one direction. So I'm going to loose this particular thread on them, and don't worry about it. As I said, once they start growing roots, they are healthy. It's, I see they are stable. I'm just going to cut it loose. Now my jar over here, I realized later, is a little narrow for it. So it can be done. I can push it through. Money plants are relatively stronger, but it's gonna make it a little difficult for me later on to water it, and just gonna be a little difficult. So I'm switching to another jar. This is just perfect for this one. This has just ample room for it to grow its roots, and it just fits fine. As for the other jar, probably I'll just add one cutting to it. I think I have one. This is just one, and it has 2 nodes to it, and it just makes it easier. I think it can just slide in and out without any difficulty. I just need to fill it up till the top. So these are my new plants. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.